Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
Officers received a flock hit on this silver Nissan for stolen license plates, but the driver had no intention of stopping. Watch as he's about to take police on an insanely dangerous pursuit.
This video comes from Police Insider.
Correct vehicle is a 30-year-old.
We haven't done one from them before. Let's see what happens here.
We're going southbound on Boulevard.
Chase is on.
Slow speeds. It's not pulling over. Southbound on Boulevard, speeds 50 miles per hour, traffic lights still not stopping.
Yeah, this looks like
you're clear to pursue. Traffic conditions, weather conditions.
somewhere in the northeast.
Boulevard, passing Jefferson, traffic light, weather conditions good.
Received, we have a county alert. Your vehicle speeding us.
Do these people really believe they're going to get away?
Just passing burning plates, still south on Boulevard.
This is just some idiot that's, well, he's in a stolen car for one, so that proves he's an idiot, but I think I'm going to jail for a long time, so I might as well have some fun. Or do they really believe they have even a remote chance of getting away? It just boggles the mind. Back up, get out of the way. Some really cool looking houses though.
Stay off the air, stay off the air.
Oh, block him in. Come on, come on. Oh, they had a shot right there.
Copy. Crazy court. Suspect bailed from the vehicle. All units respond to that area.
M1, vehicle still in pursuit. Right onto Central, going northbound.
Receive, still in pursuit.
3, we're going northbound on Central. Just past Connecticut. Traffic's.
Whoa, look at this idiot.
Left on
Wow. You see those lights long before they made that turn.
Driving recklessly through residential
Unreal.
areas, the driver was putting numerous lives at risk. Officers had to act quickly, otherwise things could have gone south at any moment.
We're northbound on Rollway. Speed's approximately 50. Traffic's picking up. Still not stopping.
Yeah, make a sudden turn like that. He doesn't know where he's at. Doesn't know which way to go.
Right onto North.
Maybe I got a shot this way. Durr. Did it dead end? Oh, man. That would have been a lot better. I think there's enough cars behind him. He hits another dead end. I don't think he's coming out of it.
Receive. Have some more units in that area, please.
302 on
Let's see a pit rip maneuver.
We'll be going out of maneuver momentarily.
Kind of hard to do in a
312 and real.
with all the other vehicles and stuff. They'd be asking for a worse accident. Maybe he'll get out on a highway or something. They can pit him. Love seeing the pits.
Looks like left up to Norwood might be turning off the rollway.
Southbound on Rollway. 2 lead. 2 approximately 55 miles per hour.
Police cars are coming out of everywhere. They want this guy.
Weapon's still good. Don't have to solve it.
Receive, clear, continue.
Ooh.
2 left on Summit Court.
Roadway, what's your speed?
54, heading north on Broadway. 400, lead vehicle, man.
400 to Joe if you want to keep calling it out. I'll keep leading.
47 miles per hour, coming up on Grove, traffic light.
The driver narrowly avoided 2 head-on collisions with the same officer leading the chase. As traffic continued to build, increasing the risk of a massive collision, a bold maneuver was needed immediately to bring the pursuit to an
Get
end.
him. Pit right there. Boom.
Right on your border, stand towards the traffic circle. Traffic, heavy jam.
Yes. Oh.
Proceed right on the Waterston traffic circle, traffic heavy, what's the speed?
22 miles per hour, heading north through the traffic circle towards East Broad.
North towards East Broad.
This guy has no clue where he's at. Can't figure out which road he would rather go on. Look out, people.
Changing your speed across the window.
Wrong way down Prospect, on North Ave, 30 miles per hour. Traffic picking up, moderate.
I like the way that officer kind of gets in that other lane and where people can see him from further away and know danger's coming.
East on North Ave,
He's shouting him, get over, get over.
East on North Avenue, heading towards Darwood. Guys on you.
Entering Garwood, approaching Center Street, 35 miles per hour.
Garwood 05, north into Garwood.
Oh, good. Oh, they got him unless he gets around the other side. Nowhere to go. Oh, they got him. Get him, get him, get him. Oh, they tore the bumper off. This is what we saw at the beginning. Another one bites the dust.
Stand by. Hey, when you get him cuffed, get him up. Good job. Hold on. This shirt, come on. It's all right. Take your time. Hold on. We got to go. Let's get this shirt on. We're not going anywhere. Get that shirt out of there. Hey, can you guys start killing sirens? Get him up. Roll over. Get him up. All right, get him up. Recovery. Sit him. You good there?
Well, hopefully he gets to go visit his buddies back in prison again.
Multiple officers suffered deep lacerations on their arms due to the shattered glass from the window frame. The suspect, however, was relatively uninjured, but he was too shook to provide any answers.
Alright? Alright. 3, it'll be for the suspect, multiple lacerations.
Also, Gil.
Is that on him?
And
Hey,
Gil.
Get
Gil.
an extra right. Alright.
No,
Tom Weiss and Gil.
Also, Plainclothes Officer Weiss and Sergeant Gil.
I believe it.
You speak English? Boss, do you speak English? English?
Yes.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be held against you in court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one will be appointed to you. Do you understand? Do you understand your rights?
Yes.
Okay.
We cleaned up what? Yep.
Is that bad?
Yeah, you're right.
I don't think I need a tourniquet.
Actually, not.
No, buddy, you need stitches.
All right.
Need stitches.
Is that a bandage? Where'd you get those? Can I get some of them?
You, it's a tree.
Gil, can you rock, Gil? Gil needs
I'm
stitches.
bleeding too. Joe, 4?
Yeah, you go ahead.
I think it's the window glass.
I'm bleeding too.
Spread your feet for me, as wide as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now bend forward just a little bit. Nope, don't lean forward. Bend at your waist. Like that, good.
Now you get a nice scar in that tattoo, really.
Yeah, there we go.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, we're
I'm good for now.
You're gonna need stitches.
All right.
They're here, so.
Like, Gil, you get checked out first.
Okay, I'm all right. Thanks.
Want us to sit him down right here? Yep, he's searched, he's all good. So,
Yeah, if you want to sit him down, you can sit him.
yeah, sit down, man.
Have a seat.
Keep going, keep going.
1 November 4 Alpha Lima. What's your name? Alpha. Jason. Jason, where are we right now? Hotel Charlie 2.
Yeah, it's just.
After running the spin of the vehicle.
Gil, you hear
I was
that?
wondering where they
Stolen
were
out
out
of
of.
Philly.
Oh, the car was stolen out of Philly.
You want to go to the hospital?
Yeah, but his bags. He's full of shit, he's got 1,000 gift cards guaranteed also.
1,000 gift cards.
Hey, Sarge. He's medically cleared, doesn't want to go to the
Not just the
hospital,
car
so we're
thief.
taking him for transaction.
Did they give us a read back on that then, Joe?
It's stolen out of Philly.
It is stolen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Philadelphia?
Test the Ghost secure him and my car, 4-3.
It's out front?
Yeah, it's up front.
Yeah, I'll show you where it is.
We're gonna take him.
We're gonna stand up, right? 3, 2, 1.
Our suspects are medically cleared. We're going to be taxed within the 413.
Shoot here. You good? Seatbelt too tight or anything like that? Okay. All right, we'll get some EMTs to come over with some wipes or something, wipe your face down. All right. So just hang tight.
The 44-year-old
Take care of
male
your
was
own
charged
first.
with resisting arrest, eluding, aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, obstructing the administration of law, 2 counts of receiving stolen property, and criminal mischief. YouTube thinks you'll love the video on screen. Click to watch now.
Well, that was a good video by Police Insider. Thank you for sharing that with us, and I hope you enjoyed this little car chase, and we'll bring you more. Take care, everybody.